Now come to this particular question number 36. See, in this particular question, he has purchased one car. Okay. Now he has purchased on 10th August of the preceding year for the personal use. Okay. And now it is brought into a business use. That means this is a situation where the asset, I only own it. I am the owner of that particular asset. Previously, I used for personal purposes, and now I convert the use of the asset into a business purpose. Okay. Now, friends, this particular situation is also covered by one of the explanation to section 43.1, and that is our explanation number 5, where asset previously used for a non-business use, now it is used for business use. But this particular explanation is exclusively applicable only where this is a building. This is a building. Okay, so there is one, I don't know, interpretation, a small little issue, because different textbooks apply this particular explanation to all the types of the assets. That means any asset which was previously the property of the assessee, now brought into the use for the business purpose. That means previously it was a non-business use, and now it has become a business use, and because it is a business use, I would like to claim a depreciation on that. Okay, now because now it is a business use, but this explanation is only to a building, not for other category of the asset. And this particular explanation says that the actual cost will be calculated as whatever is the cost reduced by the amount equal to the depreciation calculated on that particular asset, if that particular asset would have been used for the purpose of business and profession of the assessee. That means it is like whatever the actual cost minus the notional depreciation for all the years. I call it as a notional opening WDV, and that notional opening WDV becomes your cost. Okay, but this applies only to the building. But the debate here is that because many people use this particular explanation even for the other asset, so subjected to that, I will apply the same to same concept, but I have that particular apprehension about this particular discussion. Okay, so what I will do is just see, this is your 3,25,000. Okay, so from 10th of August, so 325 minus the depreciation for the preceding year. So this is my opening WDV. Okay, and this particular opening WDV, the figure whatever that comes, let me just multiply. This is 15%. It has already been given to me. So this is some 48,000 and some odd number. So opening WDV is some 2,76,000 and some odd number. Okay. Now compute the actual cost of the car for the current year. So current year my actual cost is going to be this 2,76,000. On that I will get a depreciation at the rate of 15%. But I already told you that I have the apprehension, and that apprehension is very clear.